Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to move the side panel in Google Chrome either to the left or right side of your browser. Let's get started. First, what is the side panel in Chrome? It's a handy feature that lets you access bookmarks, reading lists, or even notes, thanks to the Notes Sidebar Chrome extension, without leaving your current tab. By default, it appears on the right side of your browser. But did you know you can move it to the left? Here's how. Click on the three-dot icon and select Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page. From the left sidebar, select Appearance. On the right side, search for Side Panel Position. Click the drop-down menu and choose the side where you want the side panel to open. I'll set it to show on left. Now close the Chrome Settings tab. Click on any side panel button. For example, I'll click on my Notes Sidebar Chrome extension icon. As you can see, the side panel now opens on the left side of your Chrome browser. Here, you can also adjust the width of the panel. Just move your mouse to the edge of the panel, click and hold, then drag. Drag to the left to make it smaller, or to the right to make it wider. And that's it. Now you know how to move the side panel in Chrome to either side of your screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.